Good morning students. Today we will learn addition and subtraction of fractions. Two or more fractions can only be added or subtracted if the denominators are same. Fractions having different denominators cannot be added or subtracted. If fractions are having different denominators, then first of all you have to make the denominator same or equal. Only then their addition or subtraction is possible. You can see the process with few examples, and here is the basic rule written on the blackboard, which you also have to write it down. Next we will be learning the process with few examples. Here it is written, denominator of the fraction should be same, only then they can be added or subtracted. If denominator of the fraction are not same, then denominator are made equal by taking LCM first, then add or subtract whatever is asked in the question. So we will see few questions. First of all, when denominators are same, what to be done when denominators are same? Suppose we have to add 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 5. Here we are having two fractions, 2 by 5 and 1 by 5. Both of them are having same denominator 5. So just copy down this 5 once. Drag the line sufficient enough to copy down the numerators. 2 plus 1. So here we get 3 upon 5 answer. We will see one more question of the same sort, of the same type. Suppose I am having 5 upon 8, and this time we have to subtract 5 by 8 minus 2 by 8. So copy down this 8 once, drag the line sufficient enough to copy down the numerators. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3 upon 8 will be the final answer. So this is how you can add or subtract fractions having same denominator. Now we will see few questions having different denominators, and we learn the process how to add or subtract when denominators are different. These are basically processes, and you have to learn these processes, and the more you solve questions based, the more you will learn. And you have to solve questions given in your book to master the process. This is 2 upon 5 plus 1 upon 7. Now you can see denominator here is 5, denominator here is 7. So first of all, take LCM of the denominator. LCM is always taken of denominators, never of numerators. So 5. This process of taking LCM we've already learned in our previous chapter. So 5 and 7, both of them are prime. 5 is divisible by 5, 1 here, 7 will be copied. 7, this 1 copied, this 7 becomes 1. So LCM is LCM is 5 into 7 is equal to 35. Now we have to convert these denominators into 35. Then we would be able to add or subtract them. So this you have to learn carefully. Copy down this 2 by 5. Now to make this 5 as 35, we have to multiply it by 7. So numerator will also be multiplied by 7. Copy down this plus. Copy down the next fraction 1 by 7. And to convert this 7 into 35, we have to multiply it by 5. Now we'll get 14 upon 35 plus 5 upon 35. Now the denominators are same. So we are on a easy step now. Copy down this 35, drag the line. Copy down the numerator. 14 plus 5 is equal to 19 upon 35. And this is your answer. So you've seen if the denominators were different, then we've taken LCM of the denominators. LCM came out to be 35. Then we've converted the denominators into the LCM. So this 5 was converted into 35. So whole of the fraction now becomes 14 upon 35. Same thing is to be done with this 1 upon 7. Now becomes 5 upon 35 with denominator 35. Now two of the fractions are having same denominator 35 and 35. Now just add the numerators and copy down denominator. You will get your final answer. I wish the process is clear. We will be solving one more question of this type to make the process clear. And to master the concept, you have to solve few questions from your book also. So next question which I am going to do here is 3 upon 10 plus 7 upon 15. Now this is the question. Again you can see the denominators are different, 15 and 10. So we have to take LCM of 10 and 15. Both of them are divisible by 5, 2 times, 3 times. 2 is divisible by 2, 1. 3 will be copied, 3 is divisible by 3, 1. So LCM is 5 into 2 into 3 will give us 30. So LCM is 30. So this time we'll make the LCM denominator, convert the denominator into 30 and then we will add. First one is 3 upon 10. Copy down and then this 10 is to be converted into 30. So multiply it by 3. Numerator will also be multiplied 3. Whatever process you do to the denominator, same will be followed to the numerator. Plus 7 upon 15. Now this 7 upon 15 will be multiplied by 2, become 30. 7 will also be multiplied by 2 to become 30. So now the fraction will become 9 upon 30 plus 14 upon 30. So 30 will be written once, drag the line, add the numerators. 14 plus 9 is 23 by 30. Answer. This is how you can add or subtract fractions. One more question we will look to, and that will be of subtraction. We've taken 2 questions from addition. Though the process is same, but still we will be doing one more question from subtraction side. Now suppose the question is we have to subtract 5 upon 6 minus 1 upon 3. Again you can see that the denominators are different. So you cannot add or you cannot subtract them. Yet we have to subtract. So first of all, take the LCM of denominator 6 and 3. 6 and 3, both of them are divisible by 3. 2 times 1. This is 2 times 1 and 1. So LCM is 6. So next thing to be done is make LCM of both of them. Convert the denominators to 6. Then we can add or subtract. Then we subtract. Now here it is 5 upon 6. LCM is also 6. So need not to do anything here. Let it be as it is. Minus. This is 1 upon 3. Now 3 is to be converted into 6. So we multiply it by 2. Numerator will also be multiplied by 2. Now this is 5 upon 6 minus 2 upon 6. Now copy down the 6 ones, drag the line, subtract the numerators. 5 minus 2. So we'll get 3 upon 6